Nature.
Lake.
Lake. Lake.
Would you like to go boating on a lake?
Jungle.
Jungle.
A woman is walking alone in the jungle.
Bush.
Bush.
The big elephant is walking along the bushes.
Earth.
Earth. Earth.
The earth travels around the sun once every year.
Lake.
Lake. Jungle.
Jungle. Bush.
Bush.
Earth.
Earth.
River.
River. River.
It's nice to sit on the riverbank and watch the water flowing past.
Mud.
Mud.
Mud baths are an all-time favorite of elephants.
Tree.
Tree.
Some trees
Leaf.
are tall and
Leaf.
some are very
Can you
short.
draw
A picture of a leaf? Grass.
Grass. Grass. Would you like to run on the grass?
Waterfall.
Waterfall. Waterfall. When a river flows over a cliff, it creates a waterfall.
River.
River. Mud.
Mud.
Tree.
Tree.
Leaf.
Leaf.
Grass. Waterfall.
Waterfall.